We had a lot of apples this year, so I decided to make some apple butter. However, all the recipes I was finding called for so many pounds of apples. Since I was picking the apples off the trees in the backyard, I didn't find this particularly helpful. Plus, while some of the apples I was picking were store-bought size, others were considerably smaller or had imperfections that needed to be sliced off. So I endeavored to come up with my own recipe. I peeled, cored, and sliced 16 cups of apples. This filled the Instapot pretty close to the pressure cooker max line or PC max line. Then I added 1 cup granulated sugar and 1 cup brown sugar. Next I added some spices, ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. After combining the dry ingredients with the apples, I added half a cup of store-bought apple juice and stirred. Then I put on the lid, selected pressure cook, turned the dial to the 1 hour beef setting, and pushed start. Once the cycle was complete, I proceeded to depressurize the Instapot until it indicated that it was okay to open the lid. It's still quite hot at this point, so be careful. I grabbed the potato masher and mashed up the apples. After adding another 1/4 cup of apple juice, I once again pressure cooked the contents for another hour. After depressurizing the pressure cooker once again, I whisked the contents smooth and prepared to follow the canning procedures prescribed for my area. Plus, I put some in the refrigerator to have right away. Give it a try. Cheers!